Hello guys, welcome to our channel. Today I am going to show you how to share WhatsApp link. Okay, so let's get started. Then first of all click on WhatsApp app. Okay, then click on settings. Okay, tap on QR code option, then scan your QR and share. Click on share option, then copy link and share, add messenger this person and send. Okay, then check it. Click on messenger, tap on this person, then share your QR code link. That's all. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment and subscribe. Thank you.